Okay, people, I decided to film this look. It's raining outside, okay? This is my hair, okay? It's all slicked back into a ponytail. I'll put some earrings on, okay? Put my eyes on, and that we'll call that a look. So I have done my eyebrows, and there's an actual tutorial up there on showing you how I did these brows, okay? Believe me, you probably want to see it, okay? So anyway, I also primed my lids with this LA Pro in Warm Sand concealer because it's really been working out. But what I'm going to do is the palette I'm featuring is this Coastal Scents WinterBerry palette because it's still winter. And these are the, they all look shimmer, okay, looks, colors, shades, okay. So we're going to come up with something out of this palette. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Miss Oh So Fabulous. I don't know why I say Miss Fabulous. I don't know why I say Oh So Fabulous. But I'm going to take this Fabulous palette and just go in with a transition color / background on this look. And I'm going to take this right here. This is called Mitten. Okay, that's this color right here. This is called Mitten. Oh, okay. And I'm going to use this as my transition color, and I want to go up. Okay. So then that way I just have an automatic highlight on the brow. Okay. That's not so bad out that palette. Okay. So. There we go. Now I have hooded eyes and I have loose skin. And hooded eyes and loose skin are not the same thing. Okay, believe me. Okay, there's a lot of people who are younger who have hooded eyes. Okay, but the skin that's hooded over their eyes is not loose, so that they can go in and do all this and whatever. But when you have loose skin doing all this, you can't do that. You can't just do that because the skin is loose. You'll have ripple effect, unevenness, okay, and all that. Unless you do your eyes maybe like this, okay, but you still can get that. So I just want to make sure that I differentiate it as to why I'm saying I'm both, okay. So now I'm going to go in, okay, with this deep purple out of the WinterBerry palette. And we're going to see how that comes up. And I'm using the same brush. Let me wipe it off a little bit. And we're going to use the same brush because I like how it applies. And it's dark on the end. And I want to go up. I always forget to draw you in a little closer. Now I'm going to build this up. To my liking. Other eye. I'm also going to take this in the corner of the eye. See how that does. Ooh, fallout. See, I noticed too that sometimes the color goes awry because it falls out. Okay, and sometimes that's why you're not getting too much application. See, that just fell. I got a piece sticking out. Can you see that hair sticking out? Anyway. And I'm going this way, I'll go that way, whatever way I feel is depositing that color. And the other eye. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with a, I'm going to go in with a light pink, okay? And hopefully it comes off, okay, on my eye like it is in the palette. So, let's check it out. Dabbing it on there. Looking good, looking good. Not bad, not bad. Ooh, I'm drooling, honey. Okay, it's coming out so good. Chow. Okay. So that is that. Okay, so let me add a brow bone color. And I am going to add this I'm going to add this color. It's like a champagne like color, okay? And I'm going to add that on the on the brow bone. Getting a little heavy-handed there. Okay. Stuff is soft. Okay. I'm going to come back with the finished look, okay? Put on my makeup and everything and keep this short. So, yeah, see how you like this eyeshadow look, okay? Once I bring it together with the eyeliner. I'm hoping to get a picture in. Anyway. Okay, so I'm back with the finished look, people. Okay, I hope you like it. And I'm going to tell you what I did with my face. And I actually went in with this Black Radiance. Okay. The Black Radiance, this is in the color, it's an oil-free liquid makeup. And the color on here is, ooh. Okay, I don't know the color. Used to have a color. Oh, here it is. Okay. It's butterscotch. Okay. This color is butterscotch. So if you're my complexion, butterscotch is for you. And I think that's the lightest shade. Okay, I remember now. That's the lightest shade. But anyway, I went in there. I contoured with this Black Radiance contour stick. This one right here in the 6814. Looks like that. And I also went under my eyes. I don't know if you can see it, but I went under my eyes with that. Oh, look at my eyes are messing up. My eyes are watering. Woo, child. But anyway, I went under my eyes with the purple liner. I'm going to have to clean that one up, so I'll show you this one. Went under there with the purple liner from e.l.f., the cream eyeliner. Okay. Let's back this up. Woo, child. Okay. And then I added this Coastal Scents, this little sample blush, this color right here. I went in. Now, what I did a little different was I went in with this Strobe and Glow, and I actually highlighted with the glaze. That's the color right there. And I highlighted the whole face, cheeks, and everything. Let me give you a swatch of this. Okay, it looks like that. And it swatches like this. Oh, you can't even see it. Well, on my skin tone, I can see it, but my skin tone... Okay, let's see, can you... Anyway. My hand is lighter than my face, so... But it looks pretty, okay? It's really pretty. So anyway, that's what I did. I also went under the eyes. I smoked out the eyes with this color called Frankie out of the this Miss Fabulous palette. The color Frankie, okay? And there's anything... Oh, and I went on my lips. And I had to do it intense because a piece broke off and I couldn't put it on without it. So I had to use that little piece. But I actually like it. The color is nice, bold, and intense. Go in on my lips. Okay. And that was Wet n Wild. Okay, is there anything else? Okay, that's it. And my earrings, compliments of Wish. And that's it. Hope you like this look. Give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments or any questions you may have down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. But most of all, stay blessed. Bye.